Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video that I find very interesting. Let's see. Someone has left me a question. If the distribution must always be done when the manufacturer says so. Let's see. My advice is that if the timing belt was changed 4 years ago or more, it should be checked just in case. I'll explain. This belt I have here is from a Renault Kangoo. It barely has 60,000 kilometers, but look how it is. It's all cracked and we've changed it. What's wrong? It depends on the weather and it also depends on how old it is, because this strap is about 6 or 7 years old, so this strap can break at any time, and although the manufacturer tells you that the distribution is done at 120,000 kilometers, as I say, if it is already more than 4 years old, it should be checked to see its condition. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.